Hey, what's going on? This is Alex from LR Tech, and today I'll show you how to replace windshield wipers on BMW 3 and 4 Series Generation F. Also, I will show you how to set up replacement mode or service mode for wiper replacement. Let's proceed. The link for the wipers you can find in the description below. Original would be Vallejo. It's 24 and 18 inches. The ignition should be off. Grab the right stalk and lift it up and wait for about like 5 seconds. The longer one would be on the driver's side. Everything you need to do is to squeeze those caps on both sides and just take it off. Super simple, super easy. Then slide your windshield wiper right here. Squeeze the tabs, and that's it. Let's do the passenger side. Squeeze. Good to go. That's it, guys. I hope this DIY helped you a bit. Don't forget to subscribe, push the like button. It helps a lot. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye.